Hello, good morning, good evening. Welcome back to our channel, Johnson Travel Journey. Here at the Santiago family Guava Farm. Shout outs to Kuya Anthony, Liselle's oldest son. Also Kuya Allen. And we got Carl and Kyle with us. Carl's back in camera duty. Kyle's helping handle Fleeky, the farm dog over there. Fleeky, it's rainy season. You get to go swimming every time it rains. That pool's for dry season. And we got, when I lived here and taught English on Wattline, waiting for Liselle to be able to come to the USA, those trees did not exist. This was all poly, but these trees have grown up. Consider it a the Santiago family investment. Just like Johnson Family Investment is our digital business and our this channel here. Thanks for your watches, like, subscribe. Let's explore the farm. Oh, back in the Philippines, going back to the family Guava Farm, still the Santiago Macabante Johnson remix, but now Nanay Liselle is feeling better. Thank God, Fleeky. Her illness is passing, but she's out Pasalubong shopping with the girls. But the men are going to go back to the family farm, except for this girl. Oh, Fleeky, that's not for the vlog. Yeah, ooh, hee hee, see Fleeky. Yeah, hee hee, see Fleeky! That means, okay, Fleeky is on the Johnson travel journey. Fleeky Donato Johnson, she's the only girl in this episode. Sweetie is still on lockdown, on punishment, but she'll get to at least run around the yard tomorrow. Let's go back to the farm, Floppy. See you there. So Fleeky's family is native to this farm. Shout outs to our mothery team. Used to call her Lewis because I didn't understand Liselle when she would say Labas, meaning get out the house. Lewis Labasi team, meaning black, because it was a black dog. Fleeky's ancestors have lived in this land for I don't know how long, but same with this is Carl and Kyle's family farm too. Trail goes back this way. A lot different. There used to be poly here, but now these are going to be, I don't know what this is going to be. Okay. Oh, Umihi, see Fleeky. She's marking territory. Fleeky, this is not our family farm. We got to go back. Oh, Tai, see Fleeky. She just has to relieve herself, I guess. Okay, we got another few 100 meters to go. Okay, keep it moving, Fluppy. So this is the irrigation canal, but we do got a bridge. We used to have to jump this when I lived here and taught online. While we were waiting for Liselle to come to America. Okay, Floppy. Let's do this. Pretty solid. I got it. Thank you. Oh, gee, Flop. So we're almost there. It's got one more tunnel. Fluffy, you missed the farm. That's why you're Makali. You won't walk on the leash. So because of the bad weather, the Hagaba, the typhoon driving the heavy rains in, 2 typhoons, the dogs have not been able to go back here. But normally when they're picking guavas, they help guard the trees, make sure no one's breaking in, stealing. But we are here and, yeah. Sobrang laki na bagong punos ng guava. Bayaba. Yeah. Oh, shit. Frog. Yeah, I remember a lot of frogs here. Okay.
Where's frog?
We'll probably find another one. And that's the pool where the dogs go swimming during dry season over there. Okay, Fleeky gets to swim down the canal.
Come on.
So it's been 5 years since Liselle and I have picked guavas, but Kuya Carl still knows what he's doing. So he picked me one, and then I remember it has to be like a golden green, like kind of start turning golden yellow, and kind of soft to the touch, come off easily. Yeah. So this is what I call a Zan guava. Zan's an alien character I made up. Shout outs to Zan and Bubba and all my just eat daddy Chris. Okay, so this was, some of them had pink inside of them. Alright, well this one is Master Rock. I mean, this is where the dogs go swimming during the dry, and the grandchildren, like shouts of Thea, Maurice, Kyrie, they like to go swimming in here, Fleeky and Sweetie, when it's dry season, which is between November and early June, from what I remember. So this is very amazing and heartwarming. So you see Fleeky right here, right, just chilling. So Fleeky had a sister around 5 years ago, passed away. Her name was Freaky. I know the litter of puppies we made, their names rhyme. But when we buried her, Tito Anthony, Parang Manang, our good family friend, and I buried Freaky right near the big mango tree here. And Carl and Kyle are saying this is my rambutan tree. So I think we put the rambutan seeds in with Freaky's body, and look, it's now 5 years later a tree. This was not here when I left with Liselle 5 years ago. So this is definitely free. Rest in peace, Freaky. Look, you grew something good. You were a little runt. You were a little ass-call runt. That's like mutt in English. But you were such a cute runt, a little dog, and you were like the best pet dog while I was a teacher here. It's like Fleeky, you're a good pet dog too, but you're more of a guard dog, right? Oh, gee, Flup. She's the last one remaining of the litter, but she was the healthiest one in the litter of 4 puppies, and she is Freaky. I mean, we miss you, but you became, look, everything becomes something else in nature and life. It's a cycle, right? And now we got some delicious rambutan. We can't eat it yet though, but I mean, tree's still getting older. Okay. Fleeky! Fleeky! You find anything good to eat back here? Fleeky just ate her dinner. She ate rice and tilapia scraps and probably the tilapia gut, right, Fleeky? So.
So Kuya Carl is eat the guava.
Yeah, he's hunting the guava.
Yes. This.
Let's get a little closer. Carl's hunting the pink guava. What's this one? Oh,
Ay,
okay.
fall down.
I'll let the birds eat that one. So I got another white one, but Carl found a pink one. Here, look at Carl go. Yeah. Yeah. Walang dahon sa mukhang ni Carl. No leaves in Carl's face. Okay, hey, there we go. Maybe he has to climb. So Carl, this is much safer than climbing up the wrong way up the escalator in Taipei main station. He somehow lived to tell the he somehow lived to tell the tale climbing up an escalator the wrong way and jumping down an escalator the wrong way. But climbing a guava tree is much safer, right, Fleeky? Yep, right, Fleeky. Fleeky's like, I don't climb trees. I sniff trees. Yeah, not long. Yeah, Mayabas Magandang. Yeah. And Fleeky, yeah, thank you. Well, I found a pink variety of native Filipino guava. Not like in Taiwan where they're all really big and just white flesh in the middle. So I'm enjoying this, and I'm putting some in my pocket for Nanai. I already sell. Hope you're feeling better. Ready to vlog again with your husband tomorrow, and I got 3 in my pocket. For Carl said, it's I love you. 1, 2, 3, I love you. Actually, I got 4. So I love you, honey. Aww. Well, it was 4, now it's 4 again. Okay. So we made it to the back end of the farm. Carl's finishing another guava. I've had around 5, maybe 6. But these are like... What, Kyle? This one might be overripe, but we made it to the back of the farm. And here, let me... Oh yeah, this one's overripe. It's crushed. Yeah. Okay, well I just...
Chris, can I borrow your...
Stick, yeah. So we're Kyle's gonna...
No.
Oh shoot, okay. Come on, Kyle. Yeah, catapult himself. So...
Palay.
Okay.
That is a palay.
Yeah, so I did not crush a palay plant. This is just between the 3 of us, right, Kyle? Yeah. I was waiting for him to jump over. These fruits were against the light. Oh, Fleeky! Fleeky, oh. Okay. Fluffy came and joined us. Oh, Fluffy, she's doing her job. Look at that, my good girl. I mean, shouldn't have got off the tree, but she's coming to check in on us, make sure we're okay, right? Carl's eating another guava. I've probably had 6 or 7 by now. But they're gonna clean our bowels out after all that sticky rice in Taiwan. All that 7-Eleven, right, Fluffy? Okay.
Swimming.
Yeah. So we made it to the back of the farm, and the reason I even jumped and like kind of messed up the palay is because I wanted to show Kyle. You just want to show me something? Oh. Okay, we'll get that in a second, but this is some sort of wild fruit. Carl says you can't eat it. Hindi Kumayan, Hindi Kumayan fruta, right? Humans can't eat. Just the guava. That one you can eat. But these, I'm wondering if like these are on the edge of the farm so that the birds and bats eat these. I'll have to ask Kuya Anthony about that. If the birds and bats eat these, so as a diversion, as like a decoy, so that they don't go into the farm, the real farm, and eat our guavas, which all over here is like immature right now. It's like the sun's starting to go down. You can see some beautiful sunsets and sunrises from these farms, especially over the rice paddies, rice palay fields. But gotta watch her step. This is not our land here. So there's our new trees, and there's the reason why the signal's so much better. But I think Fleeky, Kyle, and Carl all want to go back after that mud. I don't know, Kyle, was it playing in the mud or was it being stuck in the mud? Might have been a little of both. Yeah. Shoot. Okay, well, Fleeky, your tatai's too heavy for this thing. Yep. Going home, but let's quickly take a look at some... So, we didn't get to see any guava flowers. Those normally are more of a... You know, they have a life cycle. But you can see... Oh, you can see that there's some new flowers coming. This is... Yeah. Bulaklak, mai bulaklak nang bayaba ba. Hindi. I don't see any. Okay, so I think we can go home. These are still younger trees, but they tend to have more flowers. There's some new. So we're heading out before dark because Carl is telling me about the legendary... Oh, Fleeky, come on. Okay. It's okay. She's always been a little clumsy, Kyle. She's... Yeah, come on. We're too focused on the copper... So Carl, tell our viewers a little about the what's in the big tree. Or maybe it's better we don't. Yeah, shh, keep it quiet. I'm just saying it's a local superstition, so we got to get out before dark. That's all I'm saying. Because it is getting dark here. House is right over there. Bye for now. Nan and I will be feeling better tomorrow, so that means Lisel and I will be blogging again at Aqua Planet. Is that Fleeky's boyfriend? Just guarding his own property there. Okay. Fleeky, you know better that you're old, you're too mature for that boy. Let's go home.